let me show you how you should use dishwasher. This is the dishwasher. First you need to check if everything is clean and normal. It should be like this. Can you come here? So it should be like this. Put your dishes at the appropriate places, your spoons here and so on. And then you have to use the appropriate program. This is the on off button, this is program, these are different programs. This is the menu here, you will see what you have chosen. In most cases, I think you will need less than 1 hour to wash. And you have to put here tablet. We have a tablet here. Normally you should buy your own tablet, but you can use this one if you don't have. You have to use this tablet as it is, like this. But we're not going to wash now. And then you have to close this. But before closing, remember that you need a water to wash this, from where the water will come. This is the most important thing. This is the water control. You have to do like this. So before using the dishwasher, you have to put this here. Remember, this is the default location. You have to put it like this. And then you close this and it will work. When the job will be done, when you are finished with the cleaning, you have to put this back. Put this back like this one. Remember this thing, because if you don't do like this, then you can't wash it because no water will go there. So this is the control for the water, and after washing you have to put it like this. And you have to do this with every time you wash. For small things you don't need to use even a dishwasher. You can wash here and then you can dry it here, or you can dry also here. Thank you. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world.